Welcome all. Today's topic is why do we use internet safety? And how can you secure internet? Why do we use internet safety? The internet has revolutionized the way we live our lives. We use it for everything from communication to shopping, but with this convenience comes risk. Cybercrime is on the rise, and hackers are becoming more sophisticated in their methods. That's why it's essential to use internet safety measures to protect ourselves and our information. In this video, we will explain why internet safety is crucial. Protect personal information. Internet safety is important because it helps protect our personal information. We share a lot of sensitive information online, such as our email addresses, phone numbers, and credit card numbers. Cybercriminals can use this information to commit identity theft or fraud. By using internet safety measures such as strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and avoiding public Wi-Fi networks, we can protect our personal information from being stolen. Prevent cyberbullying. Internet safety is also important for preventing cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the use of technology to harass, intimidate, or embarrass someone. It can have serious consequences for the victim, including depression, anxiety. By being mindful of our online behavior and reporting cyberbullying when we see it, we can help prevent it from happening. Protect against malware. Malware is malicious software that can infect your computer or mobile device and steal your personal information. It can come in the form of viruses, trojans, or spyware. Internet safety measures such as installing antivirus software, keeping software up to date, and avoiding suspicious emails or websites can help protect against malware. Protect children online. Internet safety is critical for protecting children online. Children are particularly vulnerable to online predators and cyberbullying. By setting parental controls, monitoring their online activity, and teaching them about safe online behavior, we can help protect them from harm. Protect business information. Internet safety is also essential for protecting business information. Cybercriminals can target businesses to steal sensitive information or hold it for ransom. By using internet safety measures such as firewalls, encryption, and two-factor authentication, businesses can protect their information from being compromised. Internet safety is crucial for protecting ourselves, our personal information, and our businesses. By being mindful of our online behavior and taking steps to protect our information, we can reduce the risk of cybercrime and keep ourselves safe online. How can you secure internet? Securing the internet is an important issue that affects everyone who uses the internet. Cybercrime is on the rise, and hackers are becoming more sophisticated in their methods. In this script, we will discuss the steps you can take to secure the internet and protect yourself from cybercrime. Step 1. Keep your personal information private. Protecting your personal information is critical to securing your online identity. Be cautious about the personal information you share online, like your home address, phone number, or email address. Avoid posting sensitive information on social media, and be careful when sharing personal details in online interactions. Step 2. Use strong passwords. Passwords are the primary means of authentication for most online accounts. Using a unique, strong password for each of your online accounts is essential to securing your online identity. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birth date, or pet's name. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of authentication, like a text message or app notification, in addition to your password. Many online services, such as Gmail and Facebook, offer two-factor authentication as an option. Enabling two-factor authentication can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your online accounts. Step 4. Keep your software up to date. Keeping your software up to date is essential to securing your online presence. Make sure your operating system, web browser, and other software are up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Cybercriminals often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software to gain access to your computer or steal your personal information. Step 5. Use antivirus software. Antivirus software is an essential tool for protecting your computer from malware and viruses. Install reputable antivirus software on your computer or mobile device and make sure it's updated regularly. Antivirus software can help detect and remove malicious software before it can harm your system. Step 6. Be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing scams are attempts to steal your personal information by posing as a legitimate source, like a bank or social media platform. Don't click on links or download attachments from suspicious emails or messages. Be wary of emails that ask for your personal information or direct you to a fake login page. Step 7. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, making it easy for hackers to intercept your data. Use a virtual private network, VPN, or your mobile network instead. A VPN can encrypt your internet traffic and protect your online privacy. Step 8. Limit your personal information online. Be cautious about the personal information you share online, like your home address, phone number, or email address. Avoid posting sensitive information on social media, and be careful when sharing personal details in online interactions. Be mindful of the information you provide on online forms or surveys. Step 9. Check privacy settings. Review the privacy settings for your social media accounts and adjust them as needed to limit who can see your posts and personal information. Be aware of the privacy policies of online services and websites you use, and only share your information with trusted sources. Step 10. Trust your instincts. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts and err on the side of caution when interacting with unknown individuals or websites. Be wary of unsolicited emails or messages, and don't give out your personal information unless you're sure it's safe to do so. By following these steps, you can help secure the internet and protect yourself from cybercrime. Remember to stay vigilant and take steps to protect your online identity and personal information. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video and found it informative, please consider like, share and subscribe for more informative content.